What are you carrying?
Sugar, mate.
Open her up, please. No! Get down on your knees! Down on your knees now! Not done!
They want him fast-tracked. I thought you'd be snowed under this week with the extra cases from Kent.
I think I'm more than capable. You've claimed asylum in the United Kingdom. Can you briefly explain why you cannot return to your home country?
Treason. I broke an order.
What's the punishment for treason?
They will kill me.
You ran across the border.
Across the border, I could not run. When you are trying to cross borders, the only people that will help you are dangerous people.
What I offer is civilized service.
I have to get to England.
England will not want you.
I've always been unwanted.
This isn't a negotiation. You're going to have to come up with an extremely convincing answer if you want to stay.
I have an answer.
Why are you giving the poor guy hope? He's gonna think he's got a case.
Maybe he does. I shouldn't have rejected him in the first place.
Are you okay?